Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
So tell us a little bit about Clean Biz Network, who can be a part of it, and what are some things we can expect or learn once we do join?
Yeah, so Clean Biz Network is basically just a network of entrepreneurs, primarily cleaning company owners, but we have some people in there who are not even in the cleaning industry. We got some lawn care people in there. We got some people who own their own insurance company. So it's a couple of different, entrepreneurs taking advantage of it, but it's just something that I wanted to put together early on when I started on YouTube, and it just grown to over 1,000 members now. And actually it's more than that. So I have two different networks, so to speak, but I'm going to combine them here shortly. But I have my mobile app called Calculated Clean that has like over 5,000 members. Then I have my regular Clean Biz Network members, that's like 1,000 members. So here shortly, I'm working on combining the two because Clean Biz Network is ran through a Facebook group right now, but I want to bring them over to the app as well, and we'll combine it and all of it to be Clean Biz Network. But it's just basically just helping people start cleaning companies, right? And I specialize in the commercial cleaning versus the residential. Just my background. That's the more the easiest one to scale to me, but everybody got their own, niche or their own preference, right? And so, but that's my background. But we got some residential people that we help too, and then that's pretty much it. That's what Clean Biz Network is all about, just helping people start and grow cleaning companies.
So the app, can you talk about that a little bit more?
Yep. So it's literally like a social network. That's the first thing you see when you get on it, right? So everybody can like, love, share, all of the stuff you can do on Facebook, you can do on that app. And I built it myself. I always got to say that because I'm so proud of that, right? But
check this out.
Yeah, and so we have that feature on it. You can also do your pricing up there. So we have pricing calculators for commercial, residential, as well as special services. So anything from strip and wax to pressure washing, you name it, is on that calculator, right? What else can it do? It can create a proposal for you. So it's a proposal generator. So if you're like, well, how do we come up with a service agreement, which some people call the contract, right? That you have the people sign when you go into business with them.
Yeah.
That's a part of the proposal, right? So that's the last page on the proposal. So you can put together a nice professional proposal within 5-10 minutes, right on that app. You can create an invoice on the app. You can do a walkthrough. So when you do a walkthrough, when you're first trying to get a new client and you walk through, you might measure the square footage. With the app, you can walk through it, take the pictures, you can measure the length and the width on the app, and the app will tell you the total square footage by the time you finish measuring everything instantly. So the app can do all type of stuff. I recommend everybody just at least give it a try. It is a monthly fee on it. I think we're doing $49 a month right now. So it's not too steep for a business owner, right? $49 a month, and it's 7-day free trial. So if you're interested, you want to see what it's about, just give it a trial. 7-day free trial, see if you like it. If you like it, keep it. If not, hey, no loss. You know what I mean?
And what is that app called?
Calculated Clean. Soon it'll be Clean Biz Network, but for now it's still Calculated Clean.
Calculated Clean. Okay, I'm definitely going to check that out. All right, so now how long have you been in the cleaning industry? Why decide cleaning, and how did you get started?
All right, so I started in the cleaning industry when I was 18 years old, working for a guy named Pops, who I was working for when I was in high school. I started working for him just like freelance cleaning. Then eventually I actually bought my own cleaning franchise. I was 19 at that time. Wow. Didn't do well with the franchise, okay, but Pops is the reason why I bought a franchise, because he had one. So when I was working for him, he had this Audi. He was living in this high-rise apartment downtown. He had all the girls, you know what I mean? So it was just like, you know what, I could do this, and I knew I wasn't going to college because I skipped school every day in high school anyway. You know what I mean? I didn't even want to be this. I knew I wasn't trying to go to college. Plus, my mom wouldn't help me with my FAFSA form, right? So it was just like, you know what? I can't get my mom to help me do this. She won't co-sign for me because, you needed a co-signer to get the loans and stuff to pay for school. So I'm like, okay, I can't go to college. I kind of don't want to anyway. And then but I know I want some money though. I know I just not gonna settle for being a bum, right? So that's when I worked for him and I saw like he cutting us checks and stuff. And I was like, damn, you can be a business owner as a Black person and actually, like, I mean, like how people working for you. So when I saw that, I knew that's gonna be what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start me a cleaning company. So that's what I did in 19.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.